Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very sexy red ombre lip paired with these nude eyes makeup look, which is perfect if you're looking forward to stand out. So without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. To prep my eyes, I'm using Milani Prime Perfection Primer on my eyelids. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.7, and to set it, I'm using New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. To warm up my crease, I'm dipping into this nude brown shade Raw Sienna from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics and buffing it in my entire crease area with a larger blending brush. To further intensify my crease line, I'm applying the same eyeshadow with the PAC blending brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it with my smaller blending brush as I don't want to lose its intensity. And that's about it for the eyeshadow part. For my brows, I'm using the brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I first use the spoolie to brush my hair downwards so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I brush my hair upwards and fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the end, I use the spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. Good makeup starts with good skin prep, so I'm first hydrating my skin with this Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer on my dry patches, and then I'm topping it up with Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer to fill in all those pores and fine lines. For foundation, I'm using PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and I'm blending this with my damn beauty blender. You can always use a brush if you like more coverage. I prefer a beauty blender as I like that sheer finish on my skin. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm using PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 1.7 to brighten my under eye area, my chin, my forehead and my nosy. This foundation is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I mostly avoid using concealer in these areas as they are my problematic areas, and very high coverage makeup tends to make them look cakey. I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush to blend it. This one's from Cuffs and Lashes. To clean up underneath the hollows of my cheekbones, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it with my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To cream contour, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze in the hollows of my cheekbones, circumference of my face to chisel my jawline and my nose, and I'm blending it with my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. If you're not comfortable with cream contouring, you can always go for powder contouring. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit on top of the areas I just cream contoured, and I'm using an angled brush to blend it. To bring some color to my cheeks, I am dipping into this orange shade from Sivana Ultra Blush Palette, and I am applying this to the apple of my cheeks. For highlight, I am using Moonstone by Sun Dip Glow Kit Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills on the highest points of my face. Coming back to my eyes, I am first drawing a winged liner with my Lakme Insta liner. This is a waterproof liner, so it won't budge throughout the event. Next, I am smoking out Raw Sienna from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics in my lower lash line. I'm using a white liner in my waterline. This one's by Flormar or Floma, I don't know how to pronounce it. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to attach some falsies, but first I'm gonna curl them and coat them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lashes, I'm feeling a bit dramatic, so I'll go with Ardell Double Up Lashes in the style 206. For lipstick, I'm first applying this maroonish shade to line my lips. This one's Super Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Founder by Maybelline New York. And I'm filling the rest of my lips with this deep red shade. This one's in the shade Pioneer from the same Super Stay Matte Lipstick range by Maybelline New York. To lock my makeup in so that it doesn't budge throughout the event, I'm using the Instant Fixation Setting Spray by PAC. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with these Hollywood curls and these very sleek and elegant danglers. Of course, you can pair it with any hairstyle or jewelry you like. I love such looks where the focus is just on that bold lip and everything else is just in the complementary nude shades. Perfect for a date night, or if you're planning to cheat on your man, definitely go for this look. Highly recommended. So if you liked this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, and if you're wondering about these curls, do let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on them. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.